Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, my hair's getting long. It's almost noon. I got to sleep in a little bit today. This is my first week of my second semester of nursing school. I have a Zoom at 12:30 to 3, but for now I just watched some YouTube, ate some breakfast. I had avocado toast. I always put balsamic glaze on it, it's so good. And I had some grapes and a protein shake. Also, the gyms in my area just opened up, which is really exciting. Because of my wisdom teeth surgery, which was just a week ago, I'm not supposed to work out that hard. So yesterday I went and just walked for half an hour on the treadmill. But today I think I'll do a full body workout with just really light weights, you know, kind of get back into it. But yeah, I'll see you guys after class. Oh wait, I want to show you something really cool. Maybe I'll show you guys at some point, but I don't know how many people would be interested. We got a box of stuff for my school, like nursing supplies that we can practice at home because a lot of it's online. So here's my fake IV, and I have some saline bags and the tubing. And yesterday I learned how to connect it all, how to prime the IV tubing, which means letting all the solution go through until there's no more bubbles. And it is so much fun. I did it so many times yesterday and I'm just so excited to be a nurse. So yeah, I have a lot more skills to learn in the next couple weeks. Then I'll be going to the hospital to start my clinicals and I'm so excited. But yeah, I'll see you guys after class. We were kind of in a rush to get out of the apartment because the sun's going down and we want to get a little hike in. You said it's a 2.5 mile loop?
Something like that. I think it's 2.5.
Is there an elevation gain or is it just kind of flat?
885 feet elevation gain. It's a loop, 2.5 miles. It's a little nature trip.
That honestly sounds perfect. Not too
It'll be
hard.
good.
And then
It'll take us right around an hour.
we're gonna go right to the gym after because we'll be all warmed up and we'll get our pump on. I didn't film it because I was too excited to eat it, but for lunch we made paninis. My brother's girlfriend got me my own really nice panini press for Christmas. If you saw my what I got for Christmas haul, and we had it with tomato soup, so it was so good. I made it with mayonnaise, cream cheese, salt, pepper, garlic powder, provolone, and turkey. It's so sunny and nice today. Ugh, just in the best mood. Starting our hike. This is so steep. You can't really tell, but it's really steep. We're just like climbing a hill. It's so tall. We walked for probably, I don't know, 20, maybe 25 minutes, but it was like this steep, and where I got my wisdom teeth done, the gums were like pulsing, and so I thought, I better not push it too far. So we kind of just went down and in some other places, but now we're gonna go to the gym. It's getting dark anyway.
Yep, think I want to stop to get an energy drink real quick. Get a little bit of caffeine in me.
Oh, and I've showed you guys these before, but I just had one of these. They're so good. I don't like coffee or tea, and so these Verb energy bars have caffeine, and they're really small. The flavors I recommend are definitely vanilla latte and the coconut ones. The other ones don't taste that good, honestly, but those two are great, and they have as much caffeine as a cup of coffee. It's 5:45. I'm drinking a protein drink. Gonna hop in the shower and get ready to film. Do you mind? Hop in the shower and get ready to film a couple TikToks. We just made a couple TikToks for both of our accounts. You guys should check them out. I put Tyler in a pink apron and Superman boxers, so you should go check that out. I just did a little stuff for school. I might do a little more, but pretty much winding down for the night. We've been doing yoga every day before we go to bed, which is really nice. At first I'm like, ugh, I don't want to, but it's so relaxing, and afterwards you're like, I'm so glad I did that. So I highly recommend. Good night, everyone. It is 11 and I'm very tired, but I will see you in the morning, and I'll be dyeing my hair tomorrow. Good morning. It's 9:30. I've been on Zoom for about an hour. We just have a small break. But for breakfast I had a caramel protein drink, and I made the low sugar Quaker instant oats with crushed almonds, blueberries, cinnamon, and a tiny bit of honey. So that'll be good. I'll be on Zoom until 11:30, I think. No, 10:30. So I'll see you after. It's 1:45 and I'm making some lunch. Cooking up a couple chicken breasts there. And I have some quinoa going. Cut up some peppers. I'll probably throw some spinach in with it too. Maybe some cream cheese, that'd be good. Goat cheese would be better, but I don't have that.
Patterson 308 and
So we're about to go work out. Tyler's gonna film a TikTok first, but I just wanted to show you this shirt I packed for him. He looks so cute, and he just shaved. Oh my goodness. I'll keep you. Ah. Just got back. I did a leg day, and I just made a smoothie with vanilla protein powder, mixed frozen berries, and I just tried this green superfood blend. I honestly thought it was gonna be really gross because I'm picky and I hate stuff like this, and look at that. But it's really good. So I highly recommend it. It's from Teamy. I actually have a code for you guys. I'll put that in the description box. But yeah, you can't really taste it at all. All right, so I'm gonna drink this. Then I'm gonna get to dyeing my hair. All right, so I just worked out, so it's obviously a little crazy, but this is my hair. The natural color is just this pretty dark brown here at the top, but I've gotten highlights in the past, so the past few months I've just kind of been box dyeing it every month, month and a half, just because I don't like the brassiness, and dealing with purple shampoo is annoying, and I just think that my natural color is really pretty. And here's the back. Man, now it looks kind of pretty looking at it. If you guys didn't know, ooh, I actually went like pretty much blonde like a year ago. I think if I did one more round of bleach, it honestly would have looked really good, but I don't know, it was too expensive, and I thought that brown just suits me better. Maybe another time. I've used the same hair dye the last few times. It's the Garnier Olia. I'm using the 5.03 medium neutral brown. This one has no ammonia, which is the thing that really kills your hair. Hair dyes with ammonia in them smell like pee. So you just squeeze the color into the developer. It's best if you like roll it down. It's like a toothpaste tube. And you put the lid on and shake. And that's it. And then they usually send you like a conditioner, and this helps seal in the color. How many hair dye videos have I done? I've cut my own bangs, cut my own hair. I got piercings, tattoos, gave my boyfriend a piercing. And I'm obviously not trained in anything, so I'm just going for it. So I just start at the roots, do a couple lines, and like massage it in. Maybe I should just do like a bunch of lines. Usually I do one at a time, but why the heck not? And just rub it in. That's the only part that has kind of a method to it, but now I just wing it. So first I'm gonna get the back of my scalp. Oh my gosh, this looks so ugly. It's like a slicked back mullet. So now we're just gonna split it in half, and yeah. Oh yeah. I think this is actually a lot better method than I normally do. Alright, now I'm gonna put it on the outside. Oh, I can't see. I'm just gonna use the rest of this bottle kind of haphazardly. You can see it's starting to develop on my forehead. Just gonna Alright, the hair dye is on, and I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Just got a super exciting package in the mail. I've been wanting to try out Chomps for a long time. It's a free-range grass-fed company that has tons of flavors of turkey, beef, and venison sticks. These are great, quick, healthy snacks. They vary a little bit, but this turkey stick has 10 grams of protein, 60 calories. They'll have 0 sugar. I highly recommend them, and I have a coupon code for you guys. I'll put it here on the screen and also in my description box to get you money off. Let me know if you try them. That would be awesome. Tag me in your Instagram post or whatever, and I'll repost it. Oh, but yeah, here's my hair. It's still wet. I started blow drying the top, but then the package came, so I got excited. So I realized I recommended them because I've heard great things, but I've never actually tried one, so I'm gonna eat one for you guys. I was mostly excited about the original turkey. And Tyler, which one are you having? The beef jalapeno?
Yep, beef jalapeno. It's fire, honestly. It's so good. I eat like 10 of these.
That's super good. Mmm. This would be really good to eat with like cheese and crackers. Super good. All right, here's the final product. Super happy with it. It's my perfect shade. It just suits me so well. Just my natural hair. I mean, obviously, but I'm so happy every time I do this. I think I'm gonna go. I think this is a pretty long vlog, can't tell. But thank you guys so much for watching. Leave any video suggestions down below. DM me on Instagram. I'm gonna be having a giveaway on TikTok, so you should check that out. I'm gonna be giving away some gift cards or something. Haven't quite figured it out. But have a great day, everyone. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.